Welcome to Driftwood Guitars. I'm Chris. Behind the camera is Matt, as always, and it is a big day here in the shop. It is the last episode of the 3,000-year-old guitar build series because the guitar is in this case and it's completely finished and it's strung up, and the client is actually here. My good buddy Will Thompson came all the way from 30 minutes away to come take delivery of the guitar, so we're going to actually show it to him here in a few seconds, see what his reaction is. Let's get Will in here. Will, say hello to the audience.
Hello. How are you doing? Oh my God. Is this really happening?
I'm ready for this guitar to be gone, so
It's
yeah.
been years.
Do you see this?
Oh my God. I had longer hair and
Yeah.
you had shorter hair. My kids have actually grown and gone
His
to
kids
college.
are actually in college now. But yeah, man, crack her open.
This is so worth the wait. Oh my God. Yikes.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. And the weight, man. Oh, that's so nice.
Mm-hmm. And the crown came out so just like nice and subtle, but then the ebony is just absolutely awesome. My first full ebony guitar. I've done Blackwoods, but not ebony.
All right, have you've played it a little bit?
A little bit. I mean, it's had strings on it for about, I don't know, a week and a half, 2 weeks now, right? It's really great. It's
God,
really
man.
great. It should be in tune. It should be.
Here. Well, this is amazing, man.
Let's get, we're gonna get Will set up with some good microphones, get this all structured. He's gonna learn how to play the guitar in the next few seconds. And we'll get this spun around so that you guys can get a chance to see what this thing sounds like in proper way with some good microphones. And that's what we're gonna do right now.
Say it's nothing new. Lately, these days, gray's been my shade of blue. Damned if I don't, but what if I do? Praying for something to come and pull me through. One of these days, might turn around. I don't know when. You can't see the how. And the weight of the world hanging over me won't get me down. One of these days I won't have to say. One of these days.
Well, that does it for this video series. We ended up doing 47 episodes, and if I remember correctly, what was that? 3.5, almost 4 years ago when we started off this series, I said that there might be 50 episodes, so we came dang close. But I did want to take just a second and thank you folks at home who have, after all of these years, followed along with this video series. In those large gaps of time that we had where we weren't putting out any videos, you were giving us a hard time and saying, when's the next episode coming out? It gave us that little bit of drive that we needed to finish this. God, when we first started this, Matt and I had only been working together for just like a few weeks, almost maybe about a month. So we really have come a long way since we started this series. I did want to take a second to thank Will for coming in. If you guys liked what you heard here, which which, remember, that was an original song, and there's a lot more of that where he comes from. He's a great songwriter and a great singer. You can find him on YouTube as well. We're going to put a link to his channel down below. It is at Will Thompson Band, and they're looking to get over that 1,000 subscriber mark any day now. So if you guys could go over there, subscribe to their channel, and help them out, that would be absolutely awesome. We'll also have a link to Will and his band's social media information as well, so you can check that out. So thanks for sticking around, and this is the end of this series, but it's very, very far from the end of our channel. We got a whole bunch of really awesome new content to come out real soon so that you guys can check that out. So make sure you do like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.